Hey guys, welcome to this video. Very quickly I'll be showing you how to disable a very annoying feature on Mac OS, the latest Mac OS, Mac OS Sonoma, which is when you click on your desktop on the wallpaper, every time it hides wherever you're doing and reveals the desktop. This is so annoying and it's on by default. So if you don't like this and you like to disable it, here's what you do. So what you want to do is open your settings on your Mac. And what you want to do is go over to desktop and dock, and then scroll down to where it says under the section desktop and stage manager, look for click wallpaper to reveal desktop. That's going to be set to always. So you want to do is click on that and change to only in stage manager. So basically once you do that, every time you click on your wallpaper, as you can see, nothing happens and you have what the behavior was before this new Mac OS came out. So yeah, it's not annoying anymore, and as you can see, if I turn that back to always, it happens again. So turn that off. Yep, so that's it. Nice and simple. Hope you enjoyed. Take care.